Everyone take out your copy first. I'm sharing the screen. हाँ फातिया सुल्ताना से बेटा फातिया
मैम कॉपी
हाँ से
मैम हुई कॉपी मैथ
which maths copy yes बेटा maths copy
ओके मैम थैंक यू मैम
okay हाँ अच्छा पेज नंबर 106 okay open the book but you will have to solve some in your copy not in book today huh okay now look at this Srijita acha Fatia Sultana Fatia beta now mute yourself
यस मैम
mute yourself okay all of you are able to see the screen shake your head if yes okay Srijita okay acha now look at this acha before looking at this write something okay put the date write CW give heading money as I told you money means already I told that we can if we want to buy it with money now basic differences are there in between coins note paise rupees okay some words are there related to money let me explain you know in rupees is Indian currency rupee okay the symbol is for rupee is this got it and for paise we can write just capital P okay just P got it understood too acha now look at this rupee and paise two division are there look suppose I am telling 50 rupees then we have to write in this way suppose we are telling 50 paise then we have to write in this way okay got it Shamridho Spondon Srijita Juben Fatia Shojatoam got it though rupees and paise acha some notes are there and some coins are there okay how does no how this show this 50 paise coin already these are in your book page number 106 and 7 so just go through on it okay after the class at home just go through on it just एक बार देख लेना ठीक है okay now look at this these are coins this is 10 rupee coin this is 5 rupee coin now notes these are the notes look at this though some parts are changed look acha this is 1 rupee note 2 rupee note 5 rupee note 10 rupee note acha now 20 rupee notes had been become in parrot green color na so in yes good and 50 rupee note sky blue that means sea green color na yes to who have seen Diya Rahat or Kopriya now 50 rupee note is of color of which color sea green na acha okay Acha, now notes, coin. Okay, this introduction basically you can go through on page number 106 and 107. Now note down something. Sorry. Acha, look at this. Acha, if I am writing 20 rupees, then we should put rupees. For this rupees, we have to put this and 20 here. Okay, no need to write this. No need to write. I am explaining. Suppose 20 paise is given there. Then first 20, then for this paise, P. Got it? Achha, now there are some symbols. Note down this one. Everyone note down this. For rupee, the symbols are RE dot or this rupee symbol. But for rupees, suppose for one, we can say 1 rupee coin. But for more than one, it will be rupees, na? Because singular plural you have learned, na? For rupees, more than 1 rupee, okay? So write rupees. It will be RS dot or this rupee symbol. Okay? Achha, now look at this. It is very much simple. Look, only RE dot means we are taking these R, first one and the last one, E. And RS dot rupees, that means this first one and this last one. Okay, is it clear? Dia, Ifra, Orkopriya, Rahat. Okay. Ritosri, Ayman, Atrei, Shadik Farhan. Ritosri, not understood. Understood? Which one you are telling? Not understood. Acha. These are the symbol. Okay. Why we will write the whole word? This is very much big, na? So we have to write it in a smaller way. Look, for rupee, we have to take only R and this E. But when it is given rupees, R and S, because first word, first letter and last letter. Got it? And in both of the case, you can write this rupee symbol. Then no need to remember this one. Just think, in both the cases, rupee and rupee, we can write this one. Got it? Just remember this thing. In both the case, you can write this. Now, Ritosri understood? Acha, Almashuddin, Ankush, Jennifer, Rabi, Farhan Akhtar. Okay. Othin Ektas, Orindam Roy, Jinia, Shakibuddin. Understood? No, just tell me understood or not. Fatia, Afros, Samraj Vaisi. Shokamana, understood too? Okay, now note down the third point for paise. Actually, we write P. This is denoted by P. Shakibuddin, who is there? Jishan Ali Jamadar, sit properly. Shaugato, Somraj, understood too? Okay. Rabiul Islam. Orindam, what happened? Understood better? Okay, good. Completed up to this? No, okay, I am waiting. Srijita? Somriddha, what are you doing? Sit properly. Sit properly. Yes. Acha, now write this one in your copy, huh? ₹60 is equal to dash. You have to write in numeric form by using symbols. Okay, I told for rupees, you can put rupee symbol, then this 60. Okay, just numeric form. Understood everyone? Now the second one. ₹21. Okay. Srijita, what will be the answer? First 21 in numeric form. Then for passive, what will you say? P. Somriddha, sit properly. Diya, the next one say. ₹39. Diya, we'll put rupee sign. Ifra, where are you? Then Diya, what we will write? This 39 in numeric form. Yes, to? Okay, so it will be 3, then 9. Understood? Ifra, understood? Yes or no? Yes, okay. Shwachatwa, completed. Now the fourth one. 53. पैसे. Done? Done or not? Danto, I can remove. Rahat. Okay. Ayman Karan completed. Okay. Acha, now look, this one is in your book, but don't do in book. In copy, you will have to do, huh? Acha, there is blank, na? Okay, all of you open the book. Now open your book. Open at page number 108. Page number 108. Acha, first one is done for you. Number B. Number B, it is 1 rupee, na? Then just rupee 1. Okay. Number C, 67 rupees. This rupee sign, then 67. Write it first. Then 43 paise. Write 43. Then P. Then the last E. Fifth one, 88 paise. I am writing over there. Huh? 88, then P. Completed? Number F. Ayman, Ankush, done to? Zube, Somriddho, Rabiul, Srijita, Orkopriya, Spondon and Orindam. Okay, Ritosri. Acha, now number F. Rupees 12. Orkopriya doing? Okay. 20 paise. Say that means 20p. 79 rupees. Okay. Then 45 paise. Now the last one. 37 paise. Shachatwa Dia, Almasuddin, Sadiq Farhan, Shakibuddin, Jennifer. Done. Farhan Akhtar, Rabiul, Otrin Ektaz. Okay. Jinia, Shamraj, Orindam Roy. Okay, okay. Jishan Ali Jamada, Shaugato and Ifra. Ifra Afroz. Ifra, Sanjida and Afroz Ali, keep your camera on. I am waiting for 2 minutes. All of you completed too? Okay, those who have not completed, I am waiting for 2 more minutes. Answer. ₹72, huh? RUPEE. Note down fast. Writing. 72 rupees. Acha, there is no space. That's why S is over there, huh? 80 paise, 13 rupees. Write the last one. ₹69. Atreyi, done. Do it yourself, huh? Acha, okay, I am waiting. I am giving you only 2 minutes to write the answer, okay? Then I'll check. Writing the answers. Those who have completed, Atreyi, yes, good. Those who have completed, just check your answer. 72 rupees. That means rupee sign we have to put, then 70. 70, acha. 72, huh? Acha, next one. 80 paise. 13 rupees. 12 paise. 69 rupees. Okay. Now all of you written the answer. Let me check your copy one by one. Then I will unmute you. Acha, all of you understood? Then you can shake your head. Okay. Shakibuddin, Somriddho, Saugato, Afroz.